Yep, it's me again. November the 19th, about 2:30. Guess where I'm headed? Back down to the ladder stand. A buddy just texted me. He got one. No, he didn't get one. His buddy that he hunts with got one this morning. Out somewhere in there, like area, I guess. I would say about 10 o'clock. 7 point. There's only probably 3 guys that hunt up here on this land. That's me and the 2 other guys. They're relations, so they're allowed. But congratulations to him. Maybe he'll send me a picture, I'll post it. But we're going to head on down here to the ladder stand. Posted that video this morning from yesterday. I think you'll enjoy that if you watch it. I haven't seen a rub yet in the woods here. Just walking down along the edge here and looking into the woods here. I haven't caught a rub in anything yet. And that scrape, it's down here at the edge of the field. It's still being dug out. There's no leaves in it. There ain't no corn stalks in it. So it's being used. And I got what? Either today, tomorrow, and Friday, I guess. It's the end of it. And there's a week delay. And then rifle season comes in. If you don't know, I'm in central Pennsylvania hunting. That's where I'm at. Got a different pair of boots on today. Got on my gold digging boots. I threw them electric socks that I bought in there. See how good they're going to work today. I didn't see no deer this morning. Got up this morning though. There was a skiff of snow on the ground. Yeah, that was pretty cool. I thought, I should be out there in the woods now. Being just snows there, be able to see a lot better. Nope. Didn't happen. Alright, well, I'll shut my mouth. We're here at the stand. I'm going to get up in here, give her a sit till it gets dark. Maybe tonight's the night. They're in there. Just, I got proof of that, so just waiting them out, I guess, and coming out here into the right spot that I can get a shot. All right, that's enough of this chatter. Let's get up here. Just had a flock of turkeys go up by me. 15. I was trying to get some, close-up footage. See if there's any gobblers or anything in there, but they don't stand still very long. That's the second time I've seen them in here now in the last week and a half. This must be their home base. They might fly up here. It's probably a little after 4. So I imagine they'll be flying up pretty soon. I thought I'd seen one down here earlier. I'd seen a black movement down in the woods there. And I couldn't pick nothing out, so I just happened to look down here, and there's one standing here in the field. And the rest of them were in the woods. But they're gone. Think turkey season's still in yet? I'm not sure. I'll have to look, just in case they decide they want to come back down around here. I never lanced one with an arrow, but I'd give it a shot. They'd hold still long enough. All right, well, we're here for another hour. Let's see what happens. A couple of squirrels, no deer yet. But just like the birds, you just never know. They show up when they show up. All right, we'll get back to you, bud. Well, flock of birds. That's about it for this evening. Well, we gave it our best shot, though. It was a nice, calm day, anyway. All right, well, tomorrow's another day. Thanks for watching.